I'm Miss Cat. Whoa. Hi, I'm Miss Maxine. Hi, I'm Miss Betsy. Welcome to the garden!
It's Miss Maxine here. I'm one of your garden teachers this year, and we're going to be doing a lot of fun stuff. Let's get started. Garden class is a time to learn and explore. Today, I'm going to be going on a scavenger hunt through the garden. But not just any scavenger hunt. I'm going to go on a rainbow scavenger hunt. Have you seen a rainbow before? This is what it looks like. There's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. These are the colors of the rainbow. Let's sing the Rainbow Scavenger Hunt song together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple, and there's pink. These are the colors in our mind. How many colors can we find? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple, and there's pink. These are the colors in our mind. How many colors can we find? Let's go find out. I found the first color! Check out these super vibrant red tomatoes. Yum! Look at this crazy orange pumpkin. That's the second color, orange. Check out this beautiful yellow zucchini flower. I see a little friend in there. It's a bee. Look at all of these green carrot tops. These are all the tops of carrot plants. Look at these beautiful blue flowers. And a kitty cat. Check out this purple stem on this plant. It's gonna be a big cabbage someday. Oh, and check out these pink flowers. Back where we started. How fun is that? I had so much fun with you all going on that rainbow scavenger hunt. Can you believe we found all the colors of the rainbow? I have a garden challenge for you. See if you can find all the colors of the rainbow in your home or in your neighborhood. If you go on a walk, make sure to go with a trusted adult. Thank you so much for joining me. Good luck on your scavenger hunt, and I'll see you next time.